In this video, I'm going to explain exactly how this $900 daily pay blueprint works because you probably want to learn these skills so you can make as much money as possible, become rich, and live a life of freedom, right? That's why I started this business. I didn't start this business just to pay my bills. I started this business so I can make as much money as possible and live a life of freedom and do the things that I love to do, which is like travel, invest, go to live events, buy whatever I want to buy, things like that. So I don't know what your issue is, or like not your issue. I don't know what your vision is. I don't know how much money you want to make, but if you have a lack of time or a lack of money, which most people do, if you're dealing with a lack of time or money, then you got to watch this because you want to know exactly how this blueprint works because it's really simple. And by following this blueprint, you can earn up to $900 or more in a day simply by promoting digital products that you don't even have to create yourself, and you get to keep 100% of the profit, and your business is automated so you can make money while you're sleeping or doing anything. So this is how the blueprint works. I'm going to break it down, okay? So, step number one, if you want to make money, you got to sell something. Either you're selling something or you're working for somebody who is selling something, right? Someone is selling a product, they're selling an opportunity or a service, right? Now, when it comes to selling, you can promote your own products. You can create your own products and sell them for whatever you want to sell them for, or you can sell other people's products. Like we teach you how to do both, but I'm going to show you how you can sell other people's products and earn 100% profit up to $900 or more in a day. Okay. So we give you four different digital products in this opportunity. So you can earn 100, 300, 600, and $900 over and over again. But what I'm showing you here can basically work for any business. Okay. So you want to earn 100% profit. And step number two, you want to automate your business, right? Like if you go to my website, Seven Figure Monk, it's going to take you here. This is called a capture page. Okay. You're capturing people's emails. You're building your email list. This is what you want to do. This is how you make money while you're sleeping. Okay. And then once they put their email in, then they're going to go here. They're going to watch videos. And at any time, they're inside of your funnel, right? At any time, they can go to your website and buy from you. Now, if they're not ready to buy, what we do, and what this is what all the top earners do, by the way. Okay. You have emails going out to people on autopilot. So these emails are sending people to your website. Every single day, they're going to get another email from you, basically. So these emails are sending people to your website. So once they're inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time, right? That's how these automations work. This is how you make money while you're sleeping or literally doing anything, and you don't have to answer to a boss. You know, if you have a job, that means you're working for somebody else, you're building their business and you're building their dreams. But if you're an entrepreneur like myself, well, you're building your business, you're building your dreams, okay? You can do both. A lot of people do both, but you want to do both, right? You want to have a plan to get rich. This system can get you rich, okay? But you got to take action. You got to take action now. You got to get started and you got to follow the process and you got to start learning these skills, okay? So step three of this blueprint is this. You need a way for people to discover you. Like you discovered me because I posted a piece of content. This is a piece of content, okay? So we have a 2-hour workday inside of our training, right? It shows you how to get your income earning activities finished in just 2 hours a day. Basically, how to market your business in just 2 hours a day because every business needs customers, okay? So people need to discover you. So how do people discover you? By marketing, okay? By promoting your business. So this is the 2-hour workday, right? So what we do is create 3 pieces of content every single day. You post it to social media. Mostly we post videos, okay? Most like me and people in our community, most of us, we post videos. So you can do short videos like reels, shorts, TikToks, like under, 3 minutes or less. I generally do like minute long videos, okay? So 3 pieces of content. You can do long videos, short videos. You can do whatever kind of content that you create. But most of us, we do videos. You can also do faceless videos. You can have AI do videos for you. But you got to be consistent with this. 3 pieces a day. That's it, okay? So by posting content, you're growing your following and you're attracting customers too. You're also building your brand so you can get monetized on social media. That's why content is king. So once you get in the habit of creating content, it should only take you like 5 to 10 minutes to create a video and post it on social media. Okay, because that's what it takes me, 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't matter if I'm doing faceless or I'm doing talking videos, whatever. 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, you have to understand that one video that can make you $900 or more, whatever, depending on what you're promoting. Our top selling product sells for 900, so that's why I'm saying 900 or more. Okay. So 3 pieces of content a day takes about 30 minutes. Then you can also go live, 30 minutes to an hour or whatever. So by creating content and going live, you are growing your following because I've done this myself. I consistently post content, I consistently go live, and I've been able to grow my following from scratch and attract customers by doing these two things. Okay. So creating content, going live. Now, if you don't want to go live, you can just create more content. And you can also post free ads. That's part of our blueprint too. Just copy, paste, and post free ads. Like there's websites that you can go to and you can post ads for free. People can find your ad, and as soon as they find your ad, they'll click on your link. They'll go here, they'll put their email in, they're inside of your automations. Okay. So this is the 2 hour workday, guys. You can break it up however you want to break it up. Some people, all they do is create content. Like you create content for an hour and a half, then you reply to messages, you go through some training. That's all you do. That's all you have to do as a business owner, guys. As an entrepreneur, this is all I do every day. I just post content and go live. Sometimes I post free ads, right? So you can, like, what I usually do is I create 3 pieces of content and I go live every day. So it's like an hour and a half. That's a minimum. Now, if I want to do more content so I can attract more customers, then I can do more. But I always finish the minimum, okay? And then you can post free ads, right? So maybe you want to create content and post ads, whatever. But the content has to be there. That's like mandatory. So however you want to mix it up, like you can do content lives, you can post free ads, however you want to mix it up. But this is the strategy for attracting customers, to building your email list, to getting leads. Okay. Leads are potential customers that you can communicate with, and you can communicate with them through your email list. Okay. So we do this to drive traffic, to send people to our email list. Okay. So we're building our email list. And then once they're inside, they can buy from us at any time. So that is a blueprint. Okay. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can get started with this business, with this program, how to get started with this program, how to get your automation set up so you can start making $900 or more in a day. Okay. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with this program in the next video. So make sure you watch it. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. God bless.